So next we'll see session hijacking using crime attack. Here the attacker exploits the vulnerabilities in the data compression feature of protocols such as SSL, Transport Layer Security TLS, SPDY, HTTP Secure. This attack is dangerous because the possibility of mitigation is very low, nearly no solution. When two hosts on the internet establish a connection using HTTPS, a TLS session is established and the data are transmitted in an encrypted form. Hence, it is difficult for an attacker to read or modify the messages between the two hosts. When a user logs into a web application, authentication data are stored in a cookie. Whenever the browser sends an HTTPS request to the web application, the stored cookie is used for authentication. In this attack, the attacker attempts to access the authentication cookie to hijack the victim session. Normal sniffing to access cookie won't work here as the cookies are compressed using lossless data compression algorithm, deflated and then encrypted. So to perform a crime attack, an attacker must use social engineering techniques to trick the victim into clicking on a malicious link. When the victim clicks on the malicious link, it either injects a malicious code into the victim system or redirect the victim to a malicious website. If the victim has already established an HTTPS connection with a secure web application, the attacker sniffs the victim's HTTPS traffic using techniques such as ARP spoofing. Through sniffing, the attacker captures the cookie value from the HTTPS messages and sends multiple HTTPS requests to the web application with that cookie prepended with few random numbers. So here what he is doing is first you will try to sniff and you will obtain the cookie which is in a compressed encoded format. After obtaining it, he will use that encoded cookie and then he will append or prepend some random characters to that cookie and he will send that as a request to the server. Similarly, I mean, when he sends the cookie to the server, in parallel, he monitors the traffic between the victim and the web application to obtain the compressed and encrypted value of the cookie. After capturing the cookie, the attacker analyzes the cookie length and predicts the actual value of the authentication cookie. So if there is any change in the cookie length, the random characters which he has added, he will come to a conclusion that that character might be present in the cookie, and so this way he will do trial and error and he will try to find out the characters used in the cookie.